Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Another macro from our friend Eskimo. I'd seen this before, but I've never really gotten to use it or play with it. If you watched my video just a while ago this afternoon, if I hit O, I get the size. So this is 6 by 6. It also puts it up here in his macro size shower. So whatever you pick, it automatically, that thing is 8 inches tall. That's 6 by 6. That's 2 by 6. So you don't have to, you can have it just wherever you want and just keep clicking and see the different sizes. But what's different about this than the other one, if we select this, look at that. It tells me the width is 21.3. I need to find out from him how you can turn down the decimals, but it's 17 inches tall. And one way we can kind of prove that, if we will select these items, hold down the shift key and hit the rectangle tool, the rectangle is 21.305, 21.305, 17. I mean, the numbers are the same. So this is the way I used to do it. And probably will instead of going to open the macro. But if I had a lot of them to do and you want to make sure that these were going to fit on your plaque or, um, look at that. It changed the number just by moving that box. And, let's get these things a little closer. And of course, you can use a rectangle, but if you select it all, now it's 16.68, 16.686. Anyway, I'll put a link to this macro at the bottom of this video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.